Hello friends, welcome to English Tube. In this video, we are going to write 10-line essay on the famous and great personality of India, Sachin Tendulkar. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. First line is, Sachin Tendulkar is a legendary cricket player from India. Second line is, he is popularly known as Master Blaster. Third line is, he is regarded as one of the best batsmen to ever live. Fourth line is, at the age of 16, he made his cricket team debut for India. Fifth line is, he holds several records in cricket, including the most runs scored. Sixth line is, he received many awards for his outstanding performance in cricket. Seventh line is, he retired from cricket in 2013, but his legacy lives on. Eighth line is, he is a role model for aspiring cricketers and fans worldwide. Ninth line is, in India, Tendulkar is revered as a national hero. Last line is, he will always be remembered for his contribution to the sport of cricket.